Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Airstream. It is a pottery barn. I'll have to show you the badging here. Inside is very, very nice. I just want to show you a little bit of the outside, and then we'll get on the inside. And there's the Pottery Barn Special Edition. We have a backup camera awning here on the rear window. There's the Pottery Barn badging. Storage. Full length awning here, which really makes a big difference, cuts down all that sun coming in those windows. Let's get on the inside and check out the interior. Very, very nice. And Pottery Barns are known, Pottery Barn Special Edition are known for just the over-the-top accoutrements, I guess you would say. So as we step inside, we have a great storage area here. Great place to put your shoes. So when you come inside, we have lighting controls here. We also have the lighting controls, and I'll show you that in a moment. You can see the Pottery Barn special wood dining area. We have over couch storage. We have reading lights, and you can see just what a difference those reading lights make. They are bright. And then we also have the accent light, which in addition is very bright. So your garbage pail, and then there's additional storage underneath the garbage pail. This has to be either walnut or some wood from South America. Very, very heavy. I need to do a little research on that. That is one heavy, heavy cutting board. Little pro tip I learned from my wife. So this is nice and clean. When you use it, or if you use it as a cutting board, flip it over and use this side. That way this side gets marred up from your cutting, and the top that says Pottery Barn stays nice and fresh. You'll thank me later. We have a conventional oven here. 3-burner cooktop. We have the LED lighting, which I really like the LED lighting in Airstreams. Nice exhaust fan, very powerful exhaust fan. Cubbies for, I could see you keeping olive oil here and some spices, salt, pepper. Then we have under storage, no we don't. Oh, that's right. We have the storage underneath. I already showed you that. Then we have this tabletop that drops down. Your articulating TV, so you can swing this around as needed. Your additional light controls there. Your refrigerator and freezer. And one of the things I really like about the freezer is it dips down there. That really comes in handy if you turn off the power and leave ice, for instance, in there. When it melts, that way you're still protected. We'll show you the shower area. Your exhaust there, it's not an electric fan. It is a open it up and it allows the breeze or the hot air out. You can see this is winterized, but again, this is dark for the Pottery Barn Special, as is all the trim. So we'll button this up and show you the bathroom. Nice marine type window here. And the woodwork is very nice. And then also just the hardware is very, very nice. Fit and finish on Airstreams, always very nice. Your controls here. Your accent lighting. Let me open this mirror or mirrored medicine cabinet. Just look at the beefiness of the way it is constructed. Just really, really nice. Nice towel bar here as we back out, and I'll show you around the bedroom. So we have LED lighting in the ceiling. We have windows, and they're all covered right now. It's October, but it's still pretty hot out. Nice cabinet. Again, just European style hinges, just a fit and finish. USB ports here, and just you barely touch that control and the light comes on. your articulating TV over there, as well as your controls for your lighting, so you don't have to go to the other end of the RV. Nice hooks to hang up, you know, robe, hat, shirt, whatever you want to hang there. And I'm going to pause right here and just give a shotgun of the interior, and I'll walk down at the other end, but I just want to show you just the color combination. Airstream makes such a nice RV, and Pottery Barn is creme de la creme. So this says Pottery Barn from the outside, still says it from the inside. It just I won't be even try to say that in reverse. Take another spin around and take a look down the interior of the RV. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. We appreciate all the support. Thanks again.